Here's a pair of the TOZO T10 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put it into pairing mode, how to connect to one device, then how to connect to another device, and then how to factory reset these. So first thing is, let's go ahead and connect to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus smartphone, okay? So we got to put these in a pairing mode first, okay? So let's go ahead and take these out of the case, take them out, and then wait a few seconds. And after a few seconds, if one of these is blinking blue, white, or I'm sorry, blue, red, then it's in pairing mode. Just one of these have to blink blue, red. So this one's blinking blue, red. So this is in pairing mode. So now I can just go ahead and connect to any device. I'll go to my Samsung Galaxy here. I want to go to settings, connections, Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. I'll tap on Bluetooth. And that little spinny thing right there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode, and it'll show up down here under available devices. TOZO T10 showed up right there under available devices. Let's go ahead and tap on that. We should get a pairing request with Android phones. We'll tap on pair. Okay, now we're connected and paired to this phone here. Okay, so now let's just say we put these back in here. And then what we want to do is connect to a different phone now. So we're paired to this phone here, Samsung phone, but now let's go ahead and connect to my iPhone 16e. All right, so let's first take these out, and we have to put them in pairing mode to connect. Ready? Remember? So if I pull these out, I wait a few seconds, and I want to wait for, if it blinks red, blue, then we're in pairing mode. But it's not going to blink red, blue. Why? Because we're paired to a different device. All right. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, so I can connect to this iPhone here, I can do two things. I can basically turn off or disconnect Bluetooth from the phone, or I can factory reset these, and these will automatically go into pairing mode, okay? So let's just do this. Let's put this in pairing mode by turning off the Bluetooth. Actually, this is the one that's connected to. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, I have to go back to my Samsung phone here. And then what I can do is, you can see it's connected here. I can tap on that info tab or settings, and I can unpair, or I can disconnect, or I can turn off Bluetooth. If I do any of those three, this will automatically go into pairing mode. I can factory reset these as well, and they will go into pairing mode. But I'm just going to go ahead and turn off Bluetooth. And as soon as I do that, look at the earbuds. Just wait a second. Now one of them is blinking blue, red, which means it's in pairing mode. So now we can go ahead and connect to this iPhone here. Let's go to the iPhone. You want to go to settings, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and that little spinny thing down there is searching for devices that's pairing mode near me, next to devices there. And it did find a TOZO T10 right there, so let's tap on that. And voila, now we're paired and connected to this phone. Now, let's go ahead and factory reset these, okay? Let's say I had issues on one of my phones here connecting, or it keeps disconnecting, maybe it's out of sync, or maybe one side's not working, and so on. So with the factory reset, now the thing is, I want to factory reset these, but I'm currently paired to this phone and that phone there. So if I wanted to factory reset these and connect back to the same phone, I have to first go into, like for example, my iPhone here, and under my devices, you see that we're connected right now. Let me go ahead and delete it or remove it from the paired list, okay? So iPhones here, you click on that little info tab and you tap on forget this device. Remember, on Android is unpair, okay? Anyway, forget this device. Now it deletes it off the pairing list, okay? So that is gone, okay? And now this one too, if I want to eventually connect to this one after the factory reset, I should go ahead and take it off the paired list here. So I'll just go ahead and I'll go unpair right there, okay? Now they're gone. Now, let's go ahead and do a factory reset on these. Let's go ahead and put the buds in the case. Now we're going to take them out and we're going to turn these off, okay? So hold down the touchpad right here, ready, set, both hands, both fingers, press and hold. Now keep holding until both lights turn red. Holding. Wait, okay, both lights are red. Now it just turned off. Now wait 10 seconds. 8, 9, 10. Now go ahead and touch it again. Press and hold, but this time keep holding until one of them starts blinking blue, red. Okay, ready? Press and hold. Keep holding. Wait. Oh, one of them is blinking blue, red. This one here. So now the factory reset is done and we're back into pairing mode. So from here, I can connect to my TV or any other device, or I can even connect on here back to the same phone. There you go. TOZO T10 shows back up here. I'll tap on that. Oops. Oh, it took too long. There we go. And we're connected back. Pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.